Welcome to LifeGLOSS, a beauty podcast for sassy and seasoned women who have lived life and have a drawer full of lip gloss to prove it. We're your hosts, Susan Gerdeman
and Hillary Clark-Mina. Join us each Thursday as we discuss life and how it relates to the world of beauty inside and out. Listen, you know, Susan, the beauty industry can be the ugliest of the most beautiful places.
Oh my God, that's deeper than any shade of lip gloss I own.
I know, but seriously, it lures you in with like all the glitter and the glamour. And then you realize that, is this mostly smoke and mirrors?
And that mirror has two faces.
Yes, indeed. And I want to talk about the two sides. You know, the dark side, full of false promises, the airbrushing, bad marketing, youth obsession, and the poor representation. But of course, there's the positive side too, of people feeling uplifted with, say, you know, a new lipstick, or the healing with self-care products. And actually, there are good ingredients out there.
You know, I think it's one of the most controversial industries, that's for sure. I mean, beating people up just to take them down so they need products to make them feel and look better. Or is it giving people creative outlets to express themselves through makeup or fragrance? I mean, is it giving them a chance to feel good?
This is a really good, complicated question. Is it a healthy escape, or is it an unhealthy trap?
You know, I think it's a little bit of both.
I think this deserves an entire episode. We have so much power as members of the beauty industry, and it truly shapes our culture. What we have to decide is, are we going to work for good or for evil?
I think at this point in the world, you know, people have become somewhat smarter regarding advertising and marketing tricks, but social media has opened up a whole new level of filters.
That's true, but you can't just blame the beauty industry. I see it in every industry. You know, some of those makeup and skincare ads on Instagram, they're so good, they suck me in.
Yeah, it's like the entire South Coast Plaza Mall is at your fingertips as you lay in bed not sleeping at 1 a.m. because you're over 40 and you can't sleep at 1 a.m.
Yes, and I know, because I still see clients, how confusing and overwhelming our industry is for people not in the industry, especially over 40. I mean, you want real results, you want real advice, and sometimes you just don't feel like you're getting honesty.
True. And I think that's why we started this podcast.
Yeah, it's a little light, it's a little gloss, and you get LifeGLOSS. Meanwhile, find LifeGLOSS on Instagram and TikTok at lifeglosspodcast.com, and on our website, lifegloss.com. You just might catch us live on TikTok. You never know. All right, everybody. Susan, stay glossy.
Hillary, stay glossy.